Hello everyone and welcome back. I have a special Dollar Tree haul. Yes, I am so excited to share these items with you, and I hope if you're a nail polish lover like me, I really hope you're going to be able to find these in a store near you. So let's just jump right in. I found a new pair of the Ioni 3D faux mink lashes, and I don't think this is a new style, new packaging, but nonetheless I really love Ioni lashes, and when I see pairs at the Dollar Tree that I know for a fact that I'll wear and wear them out, I always pick them up. So this one is Natural Light Doll. Yes, probably wear these for my birthday. So that's what they look like up close. Super duper pretty. Now on to the fun, exciting nail finds. I had to share these in a separate video because I have lots of details on the polishes that I picked up. And I found these when I went, the B-Color adhesive nail tabs, and there is 24 pieces in here. Sometimes I like to wear fake nails, but I will only wear them if I have tabs like these. So I'm curious to see how these are going to hold up in dishwater, bath water, showering, things like that, hand washing. So I'm very curious. We may do a full review on these, and if they're good, I will go purchase some more. A staple item that I always repeat purchase is the Sassy and Chic emery boards, and they always have several different styles to choose from. These are a nice grit, and they really help to file down length on your nails. 2-piece, and I got the turquoise and like leopardy kind of print one. Like I said, they always have different styles of those to pick from. I have 9 nail polishes to share with you. The first one up is New Color number 965. These don't have names. They never have names, but it is a black polish. It's a black polish with holographic glitters scattered throughout. I am wearing this on my nails. My cuticles are not clean. I have to wash dishes later, so I know that excess polish will come off, so I'm not worried about it. I'm going to do a Stranger Things manicure over top of this, and if I have it finished before I post this video, I will insert a picture now. This is 3 coats of this polish. It dries fairly quickly. There is no texture to it as well. It does have those glitters, that's why I'm answering that question. And it is a black jelly base, so it does take layering up. It's not an opaque cream black base, it's a jelly black. So 3 coats made it opaque. It's my first New Color nail polish, I believe. I was watching Dollar Tree hauls, as I often do before I go to the Dollar Tree, and a lot of videos and a lot of people were hauling China Glaze nail polish. And if you've been with my channel for a while, you know that I love nail polish. I love all things makeup, all things beauty. I have a pretty extensive China Glaze collection, and I've been collecting for years. So I'm going to insert a clip of what some of my collection of China Glaze looks like that I have on display. I found a lot of China Glaze at my Dollar Tree. There was even shades that I didn't pick up, but I knew that I wouldn't wear them on my nails or my toes, so I left them at the store. But let's just jump right in. These are $1.25 China Glazes, and these retail, I believe, $8 in store. First up is this beautiful pink polish. It's called the Caribbean Temptation. This is a duochrome magenta with a purple flash, and I'm unsure to what collection this came out of, or if it is even a part of a collection. But yes, a magenta duochrome with a purple flash. Next up, I have this beautiful gold polish, and it's called a Golden Enchantment, and I believe this is a staple polish you can buy. So there was no collection that I've seen this tied to, but this is a gold holographic glitter polish. So it's a polish topper. It's suspended in a clear base. It reminds me of fairy dust, except that this is gold and fairy dust is silver. Next up, I have this beautiful green, And this one is called Tree Hugger, and this is from their E collection, and this is a green with a light blue shimmer, so it's a perfect grass sky combination in a polish. This one's very pretty as well, and I always love me some obnoxious green nail polish. Next two polishes I'm going to share with you are actually from the same collection. This one's a glittery dark blue shade. It's called Deck the Malls. These polishes are from the Christmas 2020 collection, and that collection was called Jollywood. That one, and there also was another one at the store from this exact collection, but it was just a metallic silver, and I have a few metallic silvers in my collection, so I didn't need that one. But this one's called Showbiz, and this is a slate, a darker gray slate kind of shade with a blue tint to it. This one is also from the Jollywood collection. Up next I have this really pretty orange peachy shade, and this is Sunny You Should Ask. And this is a part of the Cali Dreams collection, and this is a peachy pink cream shade. The next shade I'm going to share with you actually looks very similar to this, but they're actually two different tones. And I saved these for last because these are from well-known collections. This one here is called Delta Darling, and in comparison to Sunny You Should Ask, they look very, very similar, but you can see that there are about a shade difference between the two. And I thought that would be nice maybe for an ombre even. This is a light sherbet orange cream, and this is from the Trolls World Tour collection. And the last one I found is also from a really well-known collection as well. And look at the lid design there. And this one is called Gift for You. This one is from the Sesame Street collection, their 50th anniversary holiday collection to be exact, and this is a multi-sized metallic raspberry hex glitter suspended in a clear base polish. It's gorgeous. This is going to be a really nice topper, or sponge it on for a more opaque layer. But these are my Dollar Tree finds. I thought this was awesome. I love China Glaze nail polishes, and I really hope that if you like nail polishes that you can find them in your store as well, because China Glaze is actually really nice. China Glaze has a 7-free formula, and they're always almost opaque in 2 coats if they're like creams. Their glitters are really nice. They lay flat. They're not textured unless they are a textured glitter polish specified on the bottle, because they do those as well. I hope that you enjoyed my Dollar Tree haul, enjoyed the description and overview of these China Glaze polishes. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links as well as the cards. And thank you guys so very much for watching.